Chapter 8. The Internet. Lesson Objective. Label the parts of a browser window. Define the terminologies related to Internet network. Use appropriate keywords to collect information. What is a computer network? A computer network is a collection of computers and devices interconnected to one another. A diagram showing a network of computers attached to other devices like printer, etc. Internet. Internet is a technology through which millions of computers around the world get connected to share information by the means of cable or wireless media of communication. History of Internet. In 1969, the U.S. Department of Defense started with a project to allow researcher and military personnel to communicate with each other in an emergency and named the project as ARPANET. Later, in the 1980s, another agency, NSF-Net, created a new high-capacity network which allowed only the academic research on its network and not any private work or business. In 1980s, some more private companies started with their own new project and later joined hands with ARPANET and NSF-Net to sow the seeds of the Internet. Then in 1990s, with the advent of WWW, World Wide Web, came what is known as Internet, which is now widely used by general public. Facts.com. A computer network is a collection of computers and devices interconnected to one another. Requirements for Internet connection. To connect to the Internet, you need the following 4 things: a computer, a modem and telephone line, an Internet browser or software to connect you to the ISP, an account with the Internet Service Provider ISP. Web browser. A web browser is an application used to access and view websites. A browser lets us visit websites and do activities within them like login, view websites. Browsers are Microsoft Edge, Netscape Navigator, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Opening Internet Explorer window. Internet Explorer is a part of MS Windows operating system and the most common one. To open Internet Explorer, follow the following steps. Step 1. Click on the Internet Explorer icon in the taskbar. The window will open and appear as shown. Look at the parts of browser. Address bar. You will find this bar at the top of your browser window and its purpose is to show you the whole URL or website address. Title bar. You will find this bar at the top of your browser and will be in the color blue for the major browser. The purpose of the title bar is to display the title of the web page that you are currently viewing. Minimize, maximize, close buttons allow you to make your browser window smaller, larger or close your browser completely. Back button. The back button takes you to the web page which you were viewing before coming to the present page. Forward button. The forward button has the opposite function of the back button. It takes you forward to the next page within sequences of pages that you have already accessed. Refresh button. This button loads the current page again. Stop button helps you to stop a website from being displayed while it is still opening by clicking the stop button. Home button. This button lets you go back to the home page of the browser window. New tab. With the help of this button, you can open different websites at the same time. Favorite button. If you like something in a book, you put a mark on it. Similarly, sometimes you find a particular web page interesting. You can save the URL address of the particular site in the browser with the help of this button for further reference. Checkmate. Open Internet Explorer and find information on the following topics: computer, India, good habits, Internet. Uses of Internet. It provides unlimited information. The Internet is the ultimate storehouse of information on any topic. The ability to communicate with people all over the world quickly and economically has made it very popular. 1. Searching. Internet is a treasure of information. We can get any kind of information on any subject. The search engine on the Internet can help you to find data on any subject that you need. 2. Reservation. We can book airline or railway or bus or even movie ticket on the internet. 3. Means of communication. We can send or receive electronic mail, have text, graphics, sound and videos anytime and anywhere. We can get access to our family members and friends residing away from us. We build our social circle on Facebook, Twitter, etc. 4. Downloading. Downloading of songs, movies, games, etc. can be done through internet free of cost. You listen to music, watch movies or play games online on the internet. 5. E-banking. It is popular because of net banking or internet banking. It has brought a revolution in banking system. We can do banking transactions without going to bank. 6. Online education. Online education through e-learning website has made education easily accessible. All the study material and information are available to us on the internet. 7. Online shopping. On internet, anybody can now buy and sell things while sitting at home. That saves one's time and money too. Other uses. E-commerce or electronic commerce. It is buying and selling of goods and services or transmitting of funds or data. Largest e-commerce companies are Flipkart, Snapdeal, Amazon India, Paytm. How to open a website in web browser. For viewing a website, we have to open a website on the computer first. For this, we type address of the website in the address bar. It means we can open a website using Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. Search engine. Search engine is a software that searches information according to the words or terms given. Some of the popular search engines are Google, Lycos, Ask, Yahoo, etc. with the URLs www.google.com, www.lycos.com, www.ask.com, www.yahoo.com respectively. Searching on internet. If you want to know about a word, you search the dictionary. If you want a book on dinosaurs, you will search in library. You will generally find the books in science section. It can also be in general books section. Let us now see how to get information about dinosaurs on the web. Enter the URL www.google.com in the browser. Now enter the word dinosaurs at the cursor and click on Google search. You can find here so many links. Let us see what we find on some of these links. For searching something, you can enter one word or you can even enter a whole sentence. The phrase or the sentence should be relevant to what you are searching for. You have used the search engine provided by Google site to search for websites. Tips to search the web. To include complete phrase in the search, use double quotes around the phrase. Example, trees and soil erosion. Trees and soil erosion gives websites which contains the phrase trees and soil erosion, while without quotes gives those sites which contain information about trees and about soil erosion. Use specific words. Example, you want to know about a particular game, try games and football game. The phrase football game gives specific websites about the game. Use many words to get relevant sites. Example, to find information about digestive systems in humans. Digestive system in humans gives information on only human digestive system. If you want a word to be included in the search, then add plus before the word. Example, try Spider-Man plus comics and Spider-Man comics. If you want a word to be excluded from the search, then add minus before the word. Example, try solar system minus Pluto, Indian animals minus lion. Safety measures for internet browsing and searching. Seek permission of your parents or teachers before using internet. Do not give personal information while browsing. Close the pop-up. Do not perform any action requested by the pop-up. This may cause the applications on your computer to stop working. When you come across information that you do not like or is upsetting you, inform and discuss with your parents about the same. Some basic internet terms. Web page. Web page is an electronic page on a computer. It contains information in the form of text, graphics, video, audio, or link to other page. Web browser. A web browser is a software application that people use in order to view web pages on the internet. Internet Explorer, Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox are the examples of web browser. It needs the address of the website, which is called URL. www. www stands for World Wide Web. It helps us to access different sites on internet. It is a collection of web pages found on this network of computers. Website. Website is like a book. As a book has many pages with information in it, similarly, website is a collection of web pages which have information on them. Email. It is an electronic mail sent to anyone around the world, but we must know the email ID of the person to whom we are sending the mail. Home page. First page is the main page of the site, which is called the home page. Whenever the site is clicked to open, the home page hits the first screen. Hyperlink. A hyperlink is a mechanism by which web page is linked to another related web page. They are usually visible in blue color and underlined style. Net surfing. Moving from one website to another is known as net surfing. Net, short term used for internet. Search engine. A web search engine is a software system that is designed to search for information on the World Wide Web. Google, Yahoo, Bing are some popular search engines. URL. Address of every web page or website is called its URL. Uniform Resource Locator.